bust caging is now the trending thing, and you can style it in different ways, so it's up to you. But in today's tutorials, I'll be showing you the basic of how you can achieve bust caging. Okay, so I have the tutorial of how I made this particular curb, and I'll link the video in the description box so you can have access to it. So we'll be using Redline boning for it. So this is a smaller Regilin boning, and this one is quite bigger. I think this one should be the ½ inch, so you can use any of them, but for these tutorials I recommend you use this one. I think this is about 0.07 mm. So first thing you need to do is to cut out your pattern, then go ahead and add wording to it. So this is a light wording. Then after that, go ahead and stitch just like that. Then next thing is to iron properly. Just flat iron it very well. You can notch before ironing so that it will give it that relaxed effect. So after making this is the basic, this is the first. Then you just choose however you want to style yours. You can choose to slant your lines, or you can just choose to go straight. But on this my stitches, I'm going to insert one boning here. Then after that, I'm just going to make a straight lines, then another one here. So after doing that, next thing you are going to do is to go to your sewing machine and fix the boning to your cup. So I'm going to start with this vertical lines. Then after that, I'm going to impute the horizontal lines, these two horizontal lines. Then after that, I'll now take this last cup, 7 mm. Okay, so I'm going to rip off some parts, maybe like ½ inch, so that it will reveal the strength in the boning. Okay, so let me go off camera while I do it. I'll show you how it looks. So I think I've gotten enough, as you can see. So I'll take my plier, then try hold one of the strings, then drag it to have a curvy effect. Okay, so in this way, when I fix it on my bone, on my cup, it's going to curve very well with less struggle. Okay, but if you decide to make it maybe the way it is, like this place, I've not stretched it, it's not going to relax. Can you see I'm kind of struggling to fix it round the cup? All right, so with this curvy part, this is the curvy part facing me, I'm going to place it on the center of this cup where I have my stitches. Then I'm going to top stitch on this two edge to hold it firmly. Ensure to widen your fabric. Okay, so as you can see, I started before this particular line and I ended somewhere here, so that I won't have troubles when fixing it to the bodies of this corset. So I'm going to stitch on the other line off camera and fix this particular one and this one, then I'll get back to you. All right, so after stitching this is what we have. You can see it's very nice, came out very nice. So the next thing is to put these two parts. Okay, and as you can see, this part is a bit curvy. Make yours curvy so that you won't have something straight. We're going to use this curvy part of the boning. Okay, and I'm going to place it this way and stitch the curvy part of the boning. That's what you use for these two sides, and stitch. Then after that, I'm going to move over to this side and do the same. So as you're stitching on this part, ensure to always stretch your fabric. So after stitching everything, next thing we're going to do, and that's the last thing, is to cover this place up. And to do that, it's very compulsory you use this curvy side of the boning. Okay, so just go ahead and make yours as curvy as possible, so that when you are taking it around your corset, it won't be a problem, and it will still maintain the shape. So let me go off camera and stitch round it, and I'll get back to you. So as you can see, I'm done stitching. So next thing I'm going to do is to stitch the second line, and after that, your bust caging is ready. So after making the bust cage, this is what you should expect. You can see how curvy it is. The shape was not altered. You can see the back, very neat, very demure, very classy. So if you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.